Hi there, excited to be with you today to talk about what to do. Now, when you have your family member, it could be your kids, it could be your spouse, it could be you where you're feeling lazy. Now, this is the exciting part about being lazy. I've hardly seen anyone just sitting down and sleeping the whole day. They are basically doing something. The question is, it is not lazy, the question is, are they productive? So the most important thing in how you can actually be productive is by having empowering habits. Remember, your habits are key. Whatever result that you're seeing in your life is basically from the activities that you have been doing all this while. So don't get upset with the result. Your result is an amazing feedback mechanism that always speaks the truth. So look at your result rather than getting upset and overwhelmed. Ask this question: what are the activities which created these habits for me to do in an automatic way that created this result? The moment that you can see some of the activities which are not very exciting, which we call it as disempowering habits, start plucking them out and put empowering habits into that. Once you have put empowering habit, which all of us know that we do some mistakes in our life, now when you put your empowering habits, don't just stop there. Ask yourself, what are the actions I need to do in order to make this empowering habit the way I want it to be? So you need to be able to come out with some of the choices that you're going to make. What are the procedures that you're going to have? What are the rules that you're going to have to implement this, and how you're going to set the environment right into this? We have written in one of my example, in the book called How to Be a Supercharged Family, a story about Krishna, my son, who basically talks about his disempowering habit is waking up late, and then he went through this form and got an amazing result. So get hold of this book, go and find out yourself on what are the tools you need to do. So I'm going to repeat to you. Number one, look at your result. If your result is not very exciting, go into your activity and see how these activities have yielded the result, and you have the power to change this activity, because this activity repeated, it creates a pattern, the pattern creates a habit, the habits creates ritual, and then you see your life is just amazing. If your result is good, keep doing whatever that you're doing, because you're getting an amazing life out of this. Wishing you a fantastic day. Take care.